Hello YouTube people, today I'm gonna show you how to change the mirror switch on your Cascadia between the years 2009 to 2016 or 17. So let's get started. For this you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and that's it. That's you're gonna need in the part. We're gonna change this mirror, this switch, this mirror switch in here. So to remove the cover, right, you need a flathead screwdriver in here. I already removed it. All right. You put your flathead in here and you lift it. Okay. So the next thing you will do, take off this part. Okay. And we're gonna take out the switch. All right. So to take it off, you put here the flathead first. Okay, here. You open it. And there you go. So it's out. Okay. Now with the flathead, you open it here. Here with a small flathead, a screwdriver if you have it, you open it in here. And sometimes what I do is just pull it. You see, it come out completely. Just make sure it has no like a green stuff, the one that comes with the like the batteries. Just make sure it doesn't have any acids or water intrusion on it, so everything looks nice and clean. Okay, so as you can see, this is the door to lock the doors, the lock switch. These are the window switches. So if you want to replace it, just do the same. Just open it with the flathead around here, and they're gonna pop out. Okay, the same goes with this one. Just put the flathead in here and in here, and it should come out. Okay, these two in here, they're a little bit challenge to take it out, because sometimes this part in here, you know, this plastic around, it goes in the way. So what I do is like one of them has to come first. I think is the one in the right. So this one has to come first, then you put it. You see this tab comes out, so you have to put it out first, and it should come out first, and then you take out the driver's side. So let's put it back, because we are not changing this part today. And the same goes for this switch. Okay, so now let's get the new part. I have it in here. You see, I have the new switch in here, brand new. This one I changing it because the mirrors are not moving. Okay, so now we're gonna install the new part. Okay. Sorry guys, I take it long, but I just using one hand right now. So you see, was nice in there. Okay, and let's put it back on place. Okay, just making sure all the tabs go there nicely. All right, you see, and now you just push it down. Okay, and there you are. We replace the mirror switch. All right, and let's check it out if this thing works. Yeah, it works nice. Let's check it out the other side. So it works perfectly good. So that's the way you replace the mirror switch. And if you want to replace these other three switches, they are not hard to take it off. The only thing I suggest you is to use a smaller flathead, so that will be easier for you to open a gap between here. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments what you think, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.